As India is all set for the world's biggest launch of vaccination drive, our reporters on ground are breaking down the entire vaccination process, right from verification of the beneficiaries to the post-vaccination observation. Here's a look at the special report.
As several countries rolled out vaccination program to battle COVID pandemic, now it is India gearing up for one of the biggest vaccination program, and that's how it is going to start from today. 116 districts, 259 centers, including 3 in the national capital, and this is how these vaccination centers will look like.
What we're seeing here is there are 2 gentlemen sitting in the vaccinator officer number 1 booth, where one person will be verifying the list of beneficiaries who are coming in. The details will be verified, and after that there will be a person who will be checking the temperature of the person who are coming in and simultaneously providing sanitizers as well. And as the beneficiary enters in, what we will be seeing next is that there is a second waiting.
This is the waiting area for the beneficiaries. They will wait for here after the verification.
After that, there will be a registration center or verification center just inside the facility. So this will be the first area where the registration happens and their names and other credentials will be verified. So this will be a prototype of a list of people who will be coming, and maybe I can just show you. This is how it will look like, and all the processes for the dry run will be as same, and also they have this thing registered on their mobile app or on a mobile device in which they can actually verify. They will have their contact details. I'm not showing those details anyway. So this is how the final round of verification happens.
This will be where the vaccination will be done. And here we see in front of us, in a dummy vaccine shot has been given to people today. Inside here, there are 2 women who are sitting, and they will explain to them what the vaccination process will be.
That those people who have been vaccinated will be waiting here with the prescribed booklets just to ensure that if they're having any kind of discomfort, they will have to immediately report that, and they will be taken to the adjacent Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital.
There are essential medicines that have also been kept here. Basic first aid, other medicines have also been kept here. And then in case there is any emergency, there will be emergency vehicles that will be kept outside, through using which the person after vaccination in case of an illness will be immediately shifted to an hospital.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.